Hey, Zen Puppy. Hello, Zen Puppy. Got some kibbles and bits you might be interested in. Zen Puppy. I'm real sad. I think I'm about to kill myself. There's some really hot bitches over here. Hey, Zen Puppy. Did you hear me?
Puppy is alright. They don't party all damn night. Zen Puppy is the way to go if you wanna take it slow. Zen Puppy, ooh, Zen Puppy, ooh. Doing some blow in his room. Another puppy OD'd on shrooms. He was all kinda catatonic until someone had to call the ambulance. Zen Puppy, oh, Zen Puppy, oh. Police got involved. They sent Zen Puppy to the walls. He was in prison forever until he broke out the next day and became Zen Puppy.